Alright, so here's my friend's Gigabyte GA-H81M-HD2. Now before I put it on, I'll just give you a little brief specifications of this board here. You could pause on these screens to get a better look. What does it say here? Alright. That's basically it. Let me get some more light in here. It looks like a mess because it's really, the power supply is way down here. The cables are not that long for me to run it under and then have it still go here. So it's like the quickest way to do it. I might tie wrap them all together later. The system's awesome. I put the SSD right in there, which you could still put a full hard drive in here with another one of these trays. I just put it up here so it gets more flow, airflow. It doesn't get that hot anyway. But one of these trays can go in right here in this slot, no problem. SSD is kind of skinny. Let me get some light in there. Yeah. So anyway, I use double stick tape on that. I also double stick taped the speaker. Some people don't care for the speaker, and some boards have it on board. Not this one. This is a $60 board. Not even, no. This is a $50 for this motherboard. So anyway, so $60. So anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on first. Except for the CD-ROM drive, which is gonna speed up. Cause I think I might have left the disc in there. Let me see, did I? Yeah, there's a CD in there. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna put it on. Yeah. And it boots up fairly quick into Windows. I got Windows 7 Professional in there now. Yeah, I got CRT monitor here because this is the one I use for testing. And it's in, so that was, I don't know, what, 10 seconds or so? From when the BIOS screen disappeared. This case is Antec P180 Mini. It's got a nice silent design. It's got that's one of the covers. There's two covers like that. It's plastic with metal piece right here. I think it's aluminum. And another one right here. It's kind of beat up already. But this is a great case for micro ATX motherboards. Only micro ATX fit in this case. So I already did a Windows experience benchmark. So oh wait, I didn't refresh it. Okay, let's refresh it. Some drivers got loaded. I'll pause this and I'll put it back on when it's done. Alright, so the benchmark is done. Trying to get this flicker to go away. I don't know. The video graphics got updated, so it went up by a few points. 7.0 for CPU, RAM 7.6, graphics 5.6, gaming graphics 6.5, and SSD hard disk 7.9. So while this was paused and the benchmark was running, I took out the boxes. There's a Pentium G3 3220. This is the SSD, Samsung 850 Evo. RAM is, I didn't choose this particular RAM, I just chose it because it was the cheapest one out of the known brands. I didn't want to get an unknown brand like a generic, but the RAM is very fast, looks like. 2133 megahertz, 1.6 volts, but I believe it's running at 1.5. Use some, I think I use CPU-Z. I think I took it off already. So that's pretty good for a $180 worth of parts. CPU, motherboard, memory, and power supply was $180 all total. Oh, and it's SSD also. So CPU, motherboard, memory, power supply, and the solid state drive was $180 altogether. Amazon deal. So anyway, all I got left is a little bit tidying up, like these wires here. Maybe I'll tie them up together, and that's basically it. So I think it's a good system based on the scores. All right, till next time, bye.